Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another monthly beauty box to share with you. It's not a box, it's a bag, and it is from Sephora. If you're new to the Sephora subscription and you want to learn a little bit more, then carry on watching. But as always, if you've heard it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I chose for this month, then you will find a timestamp down below in my comments, so you're free to flick forward. I'll pop a link to the subscription down in my description, as well as discount codes and any new offers Sephora currently have running, and all my other discount codes and offers from other websites, so you're welcome to take a look down there. This is a subscription with a little bit of a difference, that you get to choose the products that go inside the subscription every month. You can opt for a one-off box, which is what I've got, and that costs £13.95, and that includes shipping, or you can opt for a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. I believe there's still an ongoing offer on where if you take out a 12-month subscription, then the first box you pay for would be £4.99. About a year or so ago, the beauty box used to be known as the beauty kit when it was run by Feel Unique, and as Sephora's taken over, it took a bit of a back step, to be honest. There wasn't enough products uploaded monthly, the sizes weren't as good as usual, so I just dipped in and out now and again. But I have noticed over the last couple of months things are improving. I'm seeing more promotional adverts from Sephora advertising this beauty box. There's still not as many products as there used to be, but you've got about 3 different pages and they are bringing out new ones monthly. Previously it was like a couple of months and we wouldn't see any new products, but no, they are bringing new ones out every month now. So hopefully I'll be doing these videos more regularly so then I can show you all the new things that they're bringing out. The subscription is only available in the UK, unfortunately. As well as a link to the box, I'll pop a link to the FAQs as well, so hopefully it'll have more information about it all there. So I think that's it. So let's get on to then showing you what I chose this month. I always do this, always. Regarding this bag, you have got an option to tick if you want this bag or leave it blank if you don't want the bag. So I always tick yes because I want to show you, to share with you what you get. But if I was a monthly subscriber getting it every single month, then I'll probably tick it off because there's only so many of these little bags that would come in handy. For me, I love them. I love them because I put little beauty treats to give to friends and family, and also I put my hair extensions in them. I put jewellery if I go away, so they are a handy little bag for me. I do like them. Starting off, I got a shampoo and conditioner duo from Virtue, and this is from their recovery range. The conditioner hydrates, softens and renews, and the shampoo cleans, replenishes and nourishes, and there's 60 mils there. I can't wait to try these. I've just recently received a Virtue styling spray in another beauty box, so yeah, I can't wait to get to know this brand a little bit more. Ooh, it smells of coconut. Oh, look how thick that shampoo is. Really, oh, you're not be able to see. Woo, that's really thick. Oh, that smells so nice. It's like coconut and pineapple. Yeah, I think. Anyway, my sense of smell is not great, but it does smell, yeah, I'm sure it's pineapple and coconut. So there's those. Then I went for a NARS lipstick. This is a Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in shade Cruella. Really great size. I'm sure I've got this already, or I have had it. I love pencil lipsticks. Nice and easy to use. Yeah, I love the colour as well. It's like a pinky toned red. Long lasting. Yeah, I do really like this. So I've got another one. So what is it? A Velvet Matte Lip Pencil by NARS. Then I've got a cleanser from Fenty. Total Cleanser. Removes it all. There's 45 mils there. And it just says, use day and night to remove makeup, dirt and impurities. Wet skin, work into lather, rinse. For external use only. Use as directed. See, so I've got a cleanser and then I've got a perfume. This is from Penhaligon's, London. This is Luna and there's 5 mils there. That's the outside. How gorgeous is this? Look. How cute. Oh my word, that's so pretty. I hope I like it. Oh. Ooh. Oh, wow. That is unlike anything I've ever smelt before. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Oh, it doesn't say. Hold on, I'll have a look on the Sephora website. 30 mils of this perfume on Sephora is £80. So if 50, this is my maths now, I've got dyscalculia, this is how my brain works. Half of 80 is 40, so that is 15 mils. Half of 15 is 7.5. 7.5 mils is worth £10. basically. But regardless of that, I wanted to find out what's in it. Okay, bergamot, lemon, orange, rose accord, jasmine petal accord, juniper berry oil, and then it has a base of fir balsam, musk, and ambergris. It is beautiful. It is so lovely. I haven't smelt this before. Yeah, I love that. I would actually buy that. Those are all the products I've chosen for this month's Sephora beauty box. I'll just go and grab them and show you again. I paid £13.95 as I like to dip in and out and get a one-off. I've got a Virtue shampoo and conditioner duo. I've got a Fenty cleanser. I've got a Penhaligon's London Luna perfume, and I've got a NARS lipstick. Yeah, really, really chuffed. Really great month this month. I'm really happy anyway, especially with that perfume. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.